This is the SIG716i, the Indian Army's new assault beast. Imported from the US, upgraded for India's toughest warriors. Firing the powerful 7.62 x 51mm NATO round, every shot hits hard. Unlike the old answers, this rifle delivers real punch. With real precision. Effective up to 800 meters, with deadly accuracy. Custom fitted with scopes, tactical rails, and modern-day optics. Rugged, reliable, battle-proven. Whether it's snow-covered mountains, deserts, or jungles, SIG716i performs everywhere. Over 70,000 units deployed, front-line troops trust it with their lives. Fast, fearless, Indian. This isn't just a rifle, it's a symbol of India's firepower. Subscribe for more military tech. Jai Hind.